So I attended the seminar because I just wanted to learn more about street dance, the techniques, the styles.
I really wanted to get that deeper knowledge of authentic street dance.
And also get some really key information on business and marketing skills as well.
Today has totally exceeded my expectations.
Just everything, to be honest, was outstanding and I couldn't recommend it enough.
I've gained a lot of valuable knowledge, things that I wasn't actually aware of. So yeah, I've left learning more and really excited to implement these in my classes.
Met some fantastic people, experienced an amazing class with Andy. The vibe was just electric. From the minute you walked in, it was just amazing. And if you're a teacher looking to grow and teach authentic street dance, then I would definitely recommend that you come along to the seminar.
Hands up, do this seminar and workshop. It's incredible.
If you really want to be a great teacher, if you want to know how to teach well, if you want to know different styles, definitely come onto this course because you will learn so much.
Yeah.